Welcome to a presentation answering the question, is theft a felony or misdemeanor in Louisiana? Presented by Carl Barkemeyer, attorney at law. The answer is it can be both. It can be a felony and it can be a misdemeanor charge. It all depends on the value of the alleged stolen items. It's important to understand that the law has changed effective August 1st, 2014, which raises the alleged stolen value of the alleged stolen items to $750 for a misdemeanor. And we'll talk more about that in just a moment. The most severe provision of the theft statute, which shows that the theft is a felony, is when the value is $25,000 or more. The penalty now carries 5 to 20 years in prison or a fine of up to $50,000 or both. Now, if the value of the alleged stolen items is $5,000 but less than $25,000, then the penalty is 0 to 10 years in prison or a fine up to $10,000 or both. If the value is $750 but less than $5,000, then the penalty is 0 to 5 years in prison or up to a fine of $3,000 or both. So, as I stated earlier, what makes a theft charge a felony now is if the value is $750 or more. So if the value of the stolen items or alleged stolen items is less than $750, so $749 or less, then it's going to be a misdemeanor theft, which carries up to 6 months in parish jail or a fine up to $1,000 or both. Now, if the defendant who has a misdemeanor theft charge has 2 prior theft convictions, then the current charge can be enhanced and be made into a felony, which the sentencing range would be 0 to 2 years in prison or a fine up to $2,000 or both. The information in this video is not intended to be formal legal advice. The reason is that these laws change all the time, so if you have a charge, you should definitely seek assistance of counsel.